My name is Jude.
And my name is Hyun.
Today we are going to talk about how to use AI well.
And especially what generative AI is and how we should use it safely.
Let's start.
First, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create something new. Instead of just giving information, it can actually produce new ideas and new content. That's why we call it generative. Hey Gemini, can you create an image of a banana princess riding a bicycle? Thanks Gemini. So, is generative AI useful? Of course. The biggest reason is that it can save us a lot of time. Sometimes we have too much homework or too many tests. But generative AI can do some of the work for us, almost like it's working instead of me. It doesn't replace my efforts, but it helps me work faster and smarter.
For now, remember this. Generative AI helps us think better, learn faster, and sometimes even works instead of us. If we use it wisely, our daily life becomes much easier. Now I'll pass it to Hyun.
Generative AI is powerful, but it also has big limitations. Sometimes AI gives answers that are completely wrong, but that sounds very real. This problem is called hallucination AI making a fact. Hey Google, how can I make cheese stay on my pizza? If we use AI without thinking, we might copy incorrect information and spread it to others. That's why we should never trust AI 100%. So how can we use AI safely? Here are a few ways. Always double check important information. Compare AI answers with real sources like textbooks or websites. Ask AI to show its reasoning or provide evidence. Use AI as a helper, not as the final answer.
So today we learned what generative AI is and how it helps us.
And we also learned its limitations and how to use it wisely.
AI is great too, but only when we use it carefully.
Let's become students who use AI smartly, not blindly.
Bye.
Bye.